hazard. Station WXJ76 in Champaign. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Champaign, Urbana, and surrounding areas of east central Illinois. Rest of tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny with highs in the mid-90s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Heat index values up to 105. Saturday night, clear with lows in the mid-70s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts up to 35 miles an hour until midnight. Sunday, sunny, hot with highs in the mid-90s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Heat index values up to 102. Sunday night, clear. Lows in the mid-70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Monday and Monday night, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Tuesday and Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 40%. Heat index values up to 100. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. Thursday through Friday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90. Lows in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 40%. Again, the forecast for Champaign, Urbana, and surrounding areas of east central Illinois for the rest of tonight, clear. Lows in the lower 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. At 10 p.m. at the Champaign Airport, skies were clear. The temperature was 76 degrees, the dew point was 67, and the relative humidity was 73%. The wind was out at 14 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.97 inches and rising. Elsewhere around the area, it was clear, with a temperature of 79 at Peoria, 76 at Bloomington, 73 at Rantoul, and 77 at Terre Haute. Under clear skies, Mattoon reported 77, Decatur reported 80, and Springfield reported 80. And once again at 10 p.m. at the Champaign Airport, under clear skies, the temperature was 76. Looking elsewhere around the Midwest at 10 p.m., Chicago was partly cloudy and 80. Indianapolis was partly cloudy and 75. St. Louis was clear and 86. Kansas City was clear and 85. Des Moines was clear and 86. Milwaukee was mostly cloudy and 78. Here is a statement on the heat wave for the following counties in Illinois: Champaign, Cole, DeWitt, Douglas, Edgar, Moultrie, Piatt, and Vermilion. Heat advisory remains in effect from noon Saturday to 7 p.m. Tuesday. What? Heat index values up to 106 expected. Where? Portions of central, east central, southeast, and west central Illinois. When? From noon Saturday to 7 p.m. Tuesday. The following impacts are expected. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Additional details: low temperatures will only fall into the mid-70s, resulting in limited relief from the heat in buildings without effective cooling systems. Here is a statement on the heat wave for the following county: Ford, Illinois. Heat advisory remains in effect from 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday to midnight, or 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday night. What? Heat index values around 105 degrees expected. Where? Portions of central, east central, north central, and northeast Illinois and northwest Indiana. When? From 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday to midnight, or 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday night. The following impacts are expected. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Additional details: heat impacts will be worsened by consecutive days of hot and humid conditions, with overnight lows in the mid-70s providing little relief. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the WXJ76 listening area, A heat advisory remains in effect from noon Saturday until 7 p.m. Tuesday for the following counties: Champaign, Coles, DeWitt, Douglas, Edgar, Moultrie, Piatt, and Vermilion. A heat advisory remains in effect from 10 a.m. Saturday until midnight Tuesday for the following county: Ford, Illinois. The time is currently 10:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, Station WXJ76 in Champaign.